Are you ready to make your taste buds dance? These juicy oven baked lemon chicken thighs are bursting with flavor, zesty, tender and mouth-wateringly golden. Let's get into this super easy, super delicious recipe you will make over and over again. Hello everyone, welcome back to Queen Varieties channel, where variety is the spice of life. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you. Alright, so for this recipe, let me introduce you to the ingredients. I'm going to use various spices which I'll be including inside organic olive oil. Here with me I have onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper powder, paprika powder, some nutmeg, oregano, thyme and rosemary, Dijon mustard, half Knorr cube, which are precisely I'm using the chicken cube. I'm also going to add salt. Okay, once you have added every ingredient into the oil, you're going to mix to combine. Next, I'm going to add melted butter right into the mixture. Mix once again, make sure everything is combined appropriately. I'm then going to set this aside. For the chief ingredients, you will require 6 chicken thighs. I've gone ahead to rinse them properly with lemon water and salt. Everything is properly washed and pat dry completely. I'm going to place the chicken right inside the oven bowl where the baking process is going to take place. Here with me I have half a lemon, which I will squeeze its juice right inside the bowl and then generously pour the spice mix inside here. I've got some green onions, that's the spring onion. I also have the purple onion together with some garlic cloves. This is going to bring a unique and delicious flavor to the dish, at the same time that gorgeous aroma. Guys, do not skip the fresh herbs. I'm also going to set in some lemons right inside there. This is what our baking pan looks like. It smells so incredibly amazing. Cover this with a foil paper. Allow this to marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can also leave it overnight. After 30 good minutes to 1 hour, we are now ready to start the baking process. So first of all, I'm going to cover it and then transfer it into the oven. We want this chicken to be as moist and as delicious as possible. I will bake at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Alright folks, so 30 minutes later we are now back. Here I'm going to start basting the chicken very well with the juice that it has generated. This is very important. If you want that unique delicious flavor that comes from the chicken, make sure you don't skip this step. And then I'm going to flip all the chicken around, take it to the oven and bake for extra 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the chicken now is gorgeously browned. You can see how beautiful it looks. I'm going to flip it over again and then baste generously and take it back to the oven and bake for the final 15 to 20 minutes. Alright my fabulous friends, so after 1 hour baking process, our chicken turned out so gorgeously beautiful. You can see that golden brown appearance. I'm going to garnish with some fresh parsley. You can use any herbs of your choice, even spring onion. I'm going to enjoy this with this gorgeous green salad. Pair it together with this white boiled rice. This jasmine rice smells so amazing. Drop our chicken on top of it, flow the liquid that came out of the oven with it. Oh my goodness guys, this liquid on this chicken and rice was a perfect match. It tasted super delicious. So if you have days that you don't want to spend so long in the kitchen, you can pop this up for your family and enjoy together. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Until I come your way next time, God bless you. Bye for now.